Okay, so our topic was gas and atmospheric pressure by Anna, Alex, Carson, and Sean. So, what is gas pressure? It is the pressure of a gas is the result of gas particles pushing against and applying force to of the walls of their containers. So you can see that over here. Because the particles are constantly hitting the sides of the container, there is pressure in any place there is a gas. And for example, when you blow air into a balloon, the balloon expands because the pressure of air molecules is greater on the inside of the balloon than the outside. Pressure is a property which determines the direction in which mass flows. Next, we have what is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the atmosphere. The units used for atmospheric pressure are kPa and psi, kilopascals, and pressure per square inch. Atmospheric pressure changes at sea level and changes as you go above sea level, which we will talk about in some examples. So real-world examples of gas pressure. Real-world demonstrations of Boyle's law. So pressure decreases in deep water fish, which causes gases in their body to pop organs surrounding it. When you're adding air to the tire of a car, you're adding more air molecules that reduce the amount of volume, which in turn adds more pressure to the tire, which makes the tire expand and be rigid. And you'll see PSI measures tire pressure. Lastly, there's real-world examples of atmospheric pressure. So we just have a question of why would a balloon inflate if you went up to a higher elevation? For example, if you were like going on a trip or something to Mammoth or Yosemite, they are at higher elevations, and if you took a balloon or I don't know, like a football or anything like that, why will it inflate? So, because there's more atmospheric pressure, the closer to sea level you are, that means there's less higher up you are. And in Mammoth, the air pressure is lower. So less pressure pushing in the balloon would allow the pressure already pushing out, over here the air pressure pushing out, to cause the balloon to expand. So because there's less air pressure in higher elevations, less over here, the air pressure that's already pushing the balloon out will just keep on pushing, and it'll cause it to expand. So that is pretty much it for gas and atmospheric pressure. Thank you.